Hey everyone, Nate here with Outside Cleaners. I'm on Cape Cod, Massachusetts. Today I'm in Chatham. It's a beautiful, gusty autumn day. I've been cleaning some siding here the last day or two. I cleaned the siding on the shed behind me. Problem is, of course, it's like brushing your teeth and then realizing that your nose is dirty. The siding looks good. Boy, that roof is something. And the problem here, of course, is the tree that we're right under. The tree provides shade, and all the organic growth on the tree just falls right down on the roof and finds a new home there. So what I'm going to do is I just want to just a brief example of one way to clean a cedar roof, or to help improve its appearance by removing organic growth. Everyone goes straight to chemicals and pressure and all that, and that has its time and place. But on an easily accessible, short little roof here, and I mean, I could do this with a stepladder if I wanted to. I just want to illustrate how easy it is to knock off a lot of this stuff safely and gently by sanding. All right, so I've got electric hand sander. I've got 60 grit paper on there. Let me just illustrate real quick. See, the problem with all this moss and lichen is that it's trapping moisture against the shingles. So here we are. This day is really quite dry, but as I touch the shingles under where the organic growth was, the shingles are absolutely soaking wet, as if I had just stuck them in a glass of water. That's going to over time promote rot. So it's really important that cedar be able to dry out between rains. If it can't dry out, that's when you get rotting shingles, rotting shakes, and this stuff just doesn't last nearly as long as it's supposed to. So these shingles are pretty soft. So I'm going to be as gentle as I can here. You pretty quickly get the idea. Can do this whole roof here in maybe 10 minutes. All right, so is it better? Yes. Is it perfect? No. But what I've done is I've just manually removed the heavy organic growth that's otherwise trapping moisture against the shingles and promoting premature rot. Am I going to stop here? No. I am going to still treat this roof with an organic, biodegradable biocide. It's going to kill the remaining organic growth and cause it to slowly fall off over time and weather. We're heading into winter soon, so we'll have driving rain, driving sleet, and that stuff will slowly just basically erode the remaining and the dead organic growth from this roof. With the cost of cedar these days, even replacing a small shed roof like this, you're talking thousands of dollars. So this type of basic, sensible, cheap maintenance, it just makes sense, No, it's not making anything new. It's not making it last forever. It's making it last longer than it would otherwise. And that's what maintenance is. So hope that helps somebody. Bye.